Hello, I made this paper flower and I liked it a lot, so I decided I'll make another one. I'll show you right now. We will need wire, hot glue gun, scissors, pencil, eraser, and of course crepe paper. I have these pastel colors and vivid colors too. Stripe of green paper will be glued and wrapped tightly around the wire. This will be the stem of our flower. I applied a bit of glue on both ends to make sure everything stays in place. Now, let's create the center part of the flower. I went with pastel green, but you can really choose any color you like. Cut tiny stripes in it. And twist them each individually. It should look something like this. Now, let's roll it up. And secure with a bit of glue in the end. Draw the shape of flower petals on a piece of cardboard paper and cut it out. I'm tracing the petal shape on several layers of crepe paper. And cutting them out. Connect the center part to the stem. Each flower petal will be shaped by stretching it gently. And finally, we can glue the petals to the stem. I want to remind you that you can be very creative here. You can use any color combination, any petal shapes. Really, it's up to you. Feel free to play around. It doesn't have to be anything realistic. If it's from your imagination, it's even better. I want to be honest with you. I love creating. I love any form of art, whether it's drawing, painting, sculpting. I love making collages or little silly flower like this. It's so amazing how happy it makes me when I look at the finished product. It fills my heart with joy. And I will really encourage you to try it too. To make the flower more interesting and fun, I will add these peach-colored little petals. And again, to make them more beautiful, shape them and stretch them gently. To make it look neat, we will wrap around this green stripe right here. The process of making this flower was a little messy. Burned my finger with glue, and the glue strings were all over me. But it was worth it, 100%. I made another different flower, which I will show you in the end. And it's done. I really hope I could inspire you, even if just a teeny tiny bit. Now let's see how it looks if we put them in a vase. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.